Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mayur and in today's videos I am going to share my experience on how to make your drone shots more cinematic. And I'm not going to tell you which drone to use and what are the options in drones, etc, because these tips will remain same for all kind of drones. So without further ado, let's start. I know everybody will tell composition is necessary, what's new in that? But the thing is, you have to compose your shot before even flying the drone in the sky. These drones, they don't have a very good battery life even in the pro ones. By the way, I am using Mavic Air 2 which has a 34 minutes of flight time as per DJI, but actually in my test it's giving me 25 to 30 minutes, which is okay. It's not that great, it's okay. Again, it depends upon the wind speed and the modes you are flying. You can follow the rule of third to make your composition right. In some footages, if you intend to keep your object in the center of the frame or the side of the frame, you just compose it before even flying the drone in the air. But in some cases, if you cannot see what's there without even flying the drone, then go ahead, fly the drone, then compose it. What I mean by this is, whenever it's possible, try to shoot with some extra objects in frame. For example, I'm going to show you some clips. Let's have a look. These clips looks okay, but there is not much happening there because the drone is way above and there is a less depth in this shot. But when you place a vehicle, a person or both in the frame, it looks more cinematic. It gives the footage more depth to it. But in some shots, if you are flying the drone close to the ground, you really don't need to do anything, because in this case, if you see, the ground looks like it is moving with the drone and it will give you a really beautiful motion blur. Okay, here you should determine at what time you are going to shoot. For cinematic views, we usually shoot at the golden hours, that is just after the sunrise or just before the sunset. But these golden hours really go pretty fast. So make sure to reach at your spot at least an hour earlier. But there are some shots when you really need the sun right above your head. We call it top-down view or bird's eye view. Here is an example. The help of last 3 tips, you set your composition right and chose the perfect time of the day and place some beautiful objects in frame. So now let's look at the footage and you guys let me know in the comment section if this looks cinematic. I think it looks good, but there is one more thing which will make it look even better. That is music and sound effects. Unfortunately, drones do not have inbuilt mic in it and they cannot record audio while flying unless you tape a GoPro on it. So now I'm going to put some music and sound effects in the last footage we just saw. By the way, I'm using Epidemic Sound for all the musics and sound effects I'm going to use in this drone footage. And this video is not sponsored by Epidemic Sound by any means, but I just love their music database and it is like free for 30 days if you are just signing up right now. So if you are interested in Epidemic Sound, I'll just put the link in the description below. You can have a look. Okay, so now it's time to enjoy the drone footage with some sound effects and music. I think this one is pretty good. Let me know in the comment section which drone you are using. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful or entertaining by any means, just hit the like button and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.